Good morning, students of 9th standard. This is Father Sebastian, who is taking your defense study subject. And in defense study, this is related to defense, that is, the Indian defense system, where we have the Indian Army, we have the Indian Navy, we have the Indian Air Force. All this army, all this defense is protecting our country from the outsiders, to so that they do not enter in our country and disturb the peace and harmony of our country. But we all know, as we have learnt in geography and history, that most of the time we are facing challenges from external, that is external challenges, but also we have we are facing internal challenges also. So our defense system should be very much important, because if our defense system is not good, then we will face lot of difficulties. Okay, the national security of each country is very much important. The national security of each country is very much important. So you can see our book defense studies, you see the army, you see the air, you see the navy, and you see the air force. You can see the dress also, you can see it is very different. Sky, that is the air force, it is always blue, which represents the sky is blue. And then we have the navy, and the navy, it is water. So water is white or bluish color, so white, purity, symbolizes purity. Then we have the army, you can see the brown color, which is the color of the mud, so it is brown color, so that is the army. So this is our defense, and you can see here how they are having the rifles with them. You see that this one dress in order to protect, and these are all the other equipments. You can see we have the jets, we have here the ships, we have the tankers, we have buffers, and all this you should see. So in the first chapter, that is the national security, we are going to deal with national security. Security is one of the essential requirement of society. Even ordinary species in the animal kingdom get strength and means of self-defense from the nature. What is true about the animals is also true about human beings. Okay, because security is very much important for everyone. The moment anyone comes to beat you, you will just close your eyes in self-defense, or if someone comes to beat you, you will try to protect yourself. That is a self-defense. So security of person is important. Security is a concept related to individual, society, and country. Security creates peace and stability. It protects us from uncertainty. Nations face challenges and counter challenges. National sovereignty, national values, national territory must be protected. To protect territorial integrity, civic life, and nation's natural and material resources is to protect nationhood. In other words, all the defense measures used and implemented to protect the nationhood and sovereignty is known as national security. India's history. If we look at the Indian history from the ancient times, you will realize that India has experienced a number of invasions, especially from the northwest region. In those historical times, there were many states under the rule of many kings. For example, the Mauryas, the Guptas, and the Marathas had made people capable of fighting against external aggression. They had built a defense system for the protection and expansion of the state, and had adopted defense measures for the protection of their territory. There were kings who were ruling, okay, and they were able of fighting of external aggression. They had built a defense system for their protection, okay, to protect them from the other people entering their territory. Concepts. To understand the concept of national security, we must know certain related concepts because they are closely related to the national security issues. Accordingly, let us try to understand what we mean by concepts like nation, nation state, nationalism, national interest, national power, and national security. Nation. Nation refers to a group of people living on a common territory belonging to a common race, religion, or language. They have a spirit of unity and therefore they become a nation. Next is nation state. Now we heard what is nation. People coming together and staying in the territory is called nation. Nation state. When does a nation become nation state? The three elements of territory, population, and sovereignty make nation a nation state. The three elements of territory, the territory where we live, the people, that is population, and the freedom, that is sovereignty, make nation a nation state. These three elements are very much important. First, the territory where you live, then the people who live, population, and then the freedom, that is sovereignty for to do according to them. That makes the nation a nation state. There can be a lot of diversity in a nation state. For example, India has racial, religious, linguistic, regional, and economic diversity based on race. Okay, divided. Based on religion, it is divided. Based on linguistic means based on language it is divided. Based on regional, regional means regions are there like Maharashtra, Goa state, no regional, and economic diversity. Some are very rich states, whereas some are very poor states. Then nationalism. The very concept of nation itself defines nationalism. The emotions and feelings of the people of people about their country expressed in different forms can be described as nationalism. Okay. Next one is, for example, when we talk of Indian nationalism, we talk of United India. All of us are known as Indians in spite of our differences in terms of religion, language, and culture. National interest. National interest is understood within the context of the core values of a nation. The core values are defined in terms of geography, size, and other political, social, cultural, and economic elements. In India, these core values can be seen in the preamble to the Indian Constitution. Democracy, socialism, secularism, and republicanism, federal system, and equality are the core values of India. These core values help us to understand the history, culture, society, economic system, and form of state. Then comes the national power. National power is a means to protect the core values and national interests. The capability of a nation to defend itself is known as national power. From ancient times, it has always been at the center of all political systems. Every nation makes an effort to acquire and sustain it. A powerful nation is in a better position to protect its interest. Every country makes an attempt to seek cooperation from others just to protect its national interest. National power can be defined as the ability of a nation to influence other nations with a view to protect its own national interest. Every nation tries to increase its national power in various ways for self protection as well as the protection of its national interest. National power is dependent upon the material and non material elements that contribute to power. Material elements include natural resources like coal, iron, and steel, minerals, and water. They help a nation to build industrial power. India's achievements in the areas of space research and nuclear science have also contributed to our national power. The non material resources include the psychology and morale of the people and their sense of commitment towards the nation. That is national power. Now comes the national security. Measures undertaken for self protection are known as security. Every nation faces internal as well as external challenges to its security. National security implies dealing with external as well as internal threats. External aggression does not happen every day. However, military preparedness in peacetime becomes a part of national security. Therefore, the defense system created during peacetime for national defense is known as national security. National security implies the protection of core values through the use of national power. At the same time, other preventive measures are also adopted for social, cultural, economic, and political security. Now, this is the activity which you are supposed to do. So, I want you students to complete this activity in your book. When you come and take the book from here. Thank you.